To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Eleanor,
That's good for me.
happy birthday to you. Yay! She looks freaked out. Happy birthday, little girl. Well, did you expect her to blow it out?
No, I'm still taking pictures.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, little thing. Like, these balloons behind me look pretty neat.
Wow.
What do you think?
Oh yeah, there's no like clean.
What is that?
It goes where it goes, right?
She's not a clean. I don't know
What
if
is
her
that?
children are good bartenders.
Ooh.
She is not. She's a very nice.
What is that?
Get a bite.
Mmm.
Get a bite.
That's neat.
That's so gross.
This is going to be super fun.
Get a bite.
She can pet herself.
Yep, that would definitely be it.
Oh my goodness.
Wait a minute.
Best thing ever.
I had to wait a full year for this?
Ellie, is that good?
I can't imagine that must be.
I mean, she's never had sugar. Eleanor, what do you think?
Go get Isaac.
What do you think?
Where I'm at.
Okay, Matt. Take a picture.
Back up. Can you look at me, Isaac? I want to take your picture. Can I take your picture?
Alright.
Where are you going? Where are you going, bud?
I want something in here.
What do you think? Does your sister like cake?
I think she has cake on her toe. I don't know how she got it.
She does.
Wow.
No, that's one of those little puffs.
Oh. I say that
There
was
was a
puffs.
Cheerio or something.
Wow. Saving it for later.
Yellow mustache.
Is that good?
And there's